Ever wondered how financial crimes like fraud or embezzlement are uncovered? I'm talking about the crimes hidden deep in spreadsheets, invoices, or bank statements of a company. No, it's not always the police or CBI who crack the case first. Many a times, it's the forensic accountants. Yes, accountants who act like detectives and solve mysteries with numbers, tracing money trails, exposing financial lies, and helping the authorities bring down white-collar offenders. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel InfoCraze. Today, we are diving into the world of forensic accounting, where finance meets investigation. From catching fraudsters to unraveling billion-dollar scams, forensic accountants use logic, evidence, and data to find the truth. So if you love problem solving, analyzing details, and want a career that blends finance with investigation, keep watching. Let's start with the basic. What is forensic accounting? Forensic accounting is a specialized field of accounting that combines accounting, auditing, and investigative skills to examine financial statements and other information for detecting fraud or financial irregularities, analyzing financial disputes, and presenting evidence suitable for use in legal proceedings. The word forensic comes from the Latin word forensis, which means of or before the forum. In ancient Rome, the forum was a public place where legal cases were argued. In simple words, forensic means suitable for use in court. So, forensic accountants don't just prepare reports. They prepare evidence that can stand up in a courtroom. In short, a forensic accountant doesn't just record transactions. They interpret them, question them, and sometimes uncover secrets that no one else may have noticed. What does a forensic accountant actually do? A forensic accountant's job is much more than checking ledgers and balance sheets. They investigate frauds, insider trading, or bribery cases, trace missing funds or illegal money trails, examine digital transactions and hidden accounts, help lawyers and police build financial evidence, even testify as expert witnesses in court. Imagine they can tell if a company's books are being manipulated or if someone is hiding income offshore. So, what skills does a forensic accountant need? First, you need strong accounting fundamentals. You must be comfortable reading financial statements, analyzing data, and using Excel or audit software. Second, you should also have digital forensic skills, since many crimes happen online these days. Third, problem solving. You will face complex scenarios where things don't add up. You have to connect the dots logically. Fourth, communication. You will need to explain complex financial findings in simple terms clearly to people who might not understand finance at all, even in court. And finally, persistence. Some fraud cases take months, even years to solve. Patience and attention to detail are your best friends. Now let's look at the career opportunities. In today's world, financial frauds are becoming more complex, and with that, the need for skilled forensic accountants is steadily growing. Their demand is rising every single year. Forensic accountants have a wide range of career paths. They can work with law enforcement agencies like the CBI, Enforcement Directorate, or police departments, with top audit and consulting firms, in banks, insurance companies, and regulatory bodies where fraud detection and compliance are key. Many also build successful careers as independent consultants, expert witnesses, or fraud investigators for corporates and law firms. It's truly one of the most exciting and rewarding paths in the world of finance, a perfect blend of investigation, intelligence, and impact. Why forensic accounting matters? In a world where transaction is digital, financial crimes are getting more creative. Forensic accountants protect companies, governments, and even common people from losing money to fraud. They are not just crunching numbers, they are protecting trust in the financial system. Next time you hear about a financial scam, remember, behind every solved case, there's often a forensic accountant who cracked the code. So that was a quick insight into the world of forensic accounting. If you want to learn more about the courses or study path to become a forensic accountant, just drop a comment below and I will create a detailed video on that soon. With this, we come to the end of this video. If you find this video useful, please like the same and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel for many such interesting videos in future. Thanks for watching.